pulling into the, oh, there's a car behind me. Ah, red pass, look at this. This is a red pass, right?
That's orange.
I missed the parking spot, I'm in the middle of it. This is what I like to call, if you drink 32 of them a day, you'll get cancer.
Oh, Pepsi Zero.
No, zero Pepsi. Welcome to week 4!
Wait. For a second I thought this was the barn, but then I realized, oh yeah, it's my kingdom. And I'm gonna rule. The red team's gonna rule.
Cut to the part where the blue team wins.
No,
Yes.
no, take it, no.
Cut to it, the blue team winning.
Please don't.
Blue team. All right, here we are, week 4, and Glenn is playing with the mic, even though he's supposed to give it to us. I think he forgot. Yeah, but we're getting ready right now. We are just setting up some stuff. We're putting our costumes on, running through the opener, because Cody is back. He hasn't been here for like 3 weeks, so we are setting up shop right now for camp. Oh!
What just happened? I blacked out. Oh my gosh. Oh. So we're here at Break the Ice, and we're
That's not true.
look it up.
He's over the line!
No.
Doesn't count, stuck over the line.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Oh.
Cut that ball.
We literally bent the net.
Are you serious right now? Cody, you think Cody's gonna be better than me?
Excited.
There's no way white chocolate is chocolate.
No, it literally is.
No,
It
it's
is-
not.
it's
No, it's
not-
not. No, it's not. It's
Is
not.
white chocolate chocolate?
Also,
hot take, milk
No.
chocolate is not chocolate.
What?
Dark chocolate is the only option.
Dark chocolate.
Yes, white chocolate is chocolate. Dark chocolate's the only option.
Oh, whoa! Dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate is the only
bitter.
option.
Oh,
No,
let me guess. You like dark black coffee. Let me guess.
I do.
All right.
I do.
Caught her red-handed. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, right here we have an entrepreneur right here. This man right here, he is literally selling fruit at Snowcamp. How much money have you made so far?
$0.00.
At some point, so just get the big ones.
It's Saturday morning.
Good morning, Saturday. What are you doing?
Late for work. It's the newest invention.
What is it?
Roller skateboard.
Can you show me?
Can you take that out of the video?
The wheels on the bus do indeed go round and round. Customers! Hey, hot chocolate! Hey, I had 14! I had 14! I'm back!
Hey, rate it! Rate the hot chocolate!
Oh, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be really hot. There you go. There you go.
It's a 10 out of 10!
How excited are you for hot chocolate?
Super excited.
Super excited? How much are you gonna drink?
Like a lot.
A lot. We gotta get some then. Run! Faster!
All right, here we go. Taste test. Rate it.
That's like a 10 out of 10.
Dang, a 10 out of 10, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, they are.
We just finished broom ball. I mean, you know, when you're the greatest, it's really just, it's just natural, right, Claire?
Right.
Right. Claire is actually a 3-time world champion broom ball player. Any advice for potential players?
Yeah.
What would you say?
I said,
It's just whatever.
So if it falls off,
I don't know.
Hey, thank you.
Goodbye.
Get them on the vlog! Get them on the vlog!
Do it! I can't see you! Come on, turn it on! Do it!
Oh my gosh.
Wow! Who's next? Who's over? Oh my God! Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Polar Express. Thank you for riding with us. Please keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Now, without further ado, let's get this party started.
No glows light on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. This is me. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Baby, it's not true. All I want for is you. Hold on now, hold on now.
It's Portuguese. I think it's Portuguese. Yeah, it's like Portuguese.
It's the same thing.
Think. So much going on. So happy that I know. Wait, do a spin. Wait, let me do a spin.
You spin. Keep going. Keep spinning.
Do you want to dance with us? Hey, join us. Join us.
It is the morning of Sunday, the 15th of February. Here we are at Snowcamp, weekend 4, Sunday morning. It's been a great weekend. It's been fun. It's been tiring. It has not been as cold. It has been about 30 degrees all weekend. Feels like a nice summer day out today. But it's been a fun time with you. We're gonna take you behind the scenes, backstage, a little bit of backstage action over at the rally. So we'll see you there.
Oh, this isn't honey nut. This is regular. I thought you can cut that.
my interview? When's my interview?
It's on schedule. It's on schedule.
You're gonna put me in the video?
Sure, kid. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the speaker of the week, Justin Block. Now, Justin, how was your week? How was your weekend?
It was great.
Good, good,
Awesome.
good. And what was your favorite part of the weekend?
My favorite part was seeing people go from death to life. Literally coming here, not having a relationship with Jesus, and then being made alive through Christ. That's the best thing ever. Second favorite thing was the polar plunge.
Hey, you heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Justin. Mom, hello? Oh, okay. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap on weekend number 4 of Snowcamp. We had a lot of fun. It was amazing. So good to see you guys, but we got more in store.
Am I gonna go in the vlog this time?
No.
What did I? Yeah. We'll get you next week, buddy.
Yeah, next time.
Next week, buddy.
Next time.
Well, that's a wrap. We will see you in the next one.